The first of these is a discussion about psyche. And so, one of the things that Jung does that our Bernardo Castro points out is he divides the psyche up into sort of like three different parts in kind of a really interesting way. I have like a psych degree, so dividing up the psyche in different ways isn't that unusual. Like, really famously in the Sigmund Freud world, you have the id, which is kind of like the more biological drives and needs. And we're going to have Jung's take on that too. And then the ego, your sense of self, and then the superego, which is sort of like the values that you take on from the society and the culture. So Jung was, kind of a protege of Freud's. You can get this idea of dividing things up into different parts. I think those parts are really interesting too, but from this presentation around Jung that we're looking at, the vision gets into like three different kind of layers within the psyche, and he's going to talk about body, psyche, and spirit, this kind of three-part division. And this division also deals with like the other big question that's going on in this whole thing, which is what's the difference between having things that are conscious and things that are unconscious? And how does this stuff all fit together? So that's going to be like kind of our first subject matter here.